A look right now at what we will see from this, though. Wind advisories posted for the Cape and Martha's Vineyard. This is for tomorrow from 10 in the morning until 8 o'clock in the evening. And for the island of Nantucket, we have a high wind watch. Means potentially the winds could be a little stronger over Nantucket. We'll watch that for about the same time tomorrow, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. All right, let's take a look at the live Doppler radar. Nothing happening around Boston and Worcester. I've also put the temperatures on there for you. You see a little bit of snow showing up out toward the Berkshires into Springfield, but the only report of any precipitation I could find is in Hartford right now with a little bit of light rain. Most of this, because the air is just so darn dry, is evaporating before it reaches the ground. All right, so there's another look at the radar loop. You can kind of see that the snow is kind of running into that drier air overhead right now. So a lot of what you're seeing right now, again, not falling. And eventually, it's south of New England where this eventual low pressure starts to develop. There's a slightly wider view. You can see some clouds down toward the south coast and Cape Cod and the islands especially. Here's the primary low, the first low. And what happens is, eventually, as this starts to move eastward and southeastward, it will send its energy south of Long Island. And then that low cruises south of Nantucket and out to sea to our south. So that's kind of a schematic as to how this should pan out. And it just looks like it'll be a little too far south and east to produce much for most of the area. There will be some snow, though, I think, in some areas. We'll talk about it momentarily. Right now, 35 in Boston. East-northeasterly winds right now, 14 miles per hour. And again, that dew point is dry, 23 degrees. Whenever you have a separation between the temp and the dew point, that's kind of indicative of how damp or dry the air can be, and it's very dry right now. 33 in Worcester, 37 Orange, likewise in Plymouth, and 40 down there on Nantucket. Now, it is 40 down there, but because this is coming in late tonight during the coldest hours of the nighttime hours, it'll start as rain and then try to go over to snow for that area. Here's the low tonight as it starts blossoming, and by tomorrow morning, this low continues to intensify, but you can see the precipitation shield is just a little bit too far south, and then the low passes just a little too far east to produce much in the way of snowfall for us. And the closer you are to that low, obviously, the better chance you have of two things: snow and also strong winds as well. Here we take you through the nighttime hours tonight, looking at 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, and some snow is starting to develop for the Cape and the islands. The morning hours should be fine. A lot of clouds around, but I don't think any snow will start getting going until the afternoon hours and into the evening. Occasional snow across the Cape and the islands, and some ocean effect snow showers are possible for the South Shore and even up into the Boston area. That's where I think you may get your accumulation. How much are we talking? 1 to 3 inches for the Cape and the islands. A dusting at best to 1 inch because, again, this falls mostly during the daytime hours on Sunday and on into later Sunday. So most of that will actually melt before it has a chance to kind of collect on the ground. Nonetheless, it's an impact weather day for tomorrow, mostly because of those winds down over the Cape and the islands and the chance for some snow as well. Look at temperatures, though. Once this goes by, we turn mild, maybe targeting 50 degrees by Tuesday. Then we get real cold again as we head toward midweek next week.